Just open the box up. Just checking this one. This unit has got B on it. Goes into there. This unit has got A on it, and it'd be the AP. This unit has got B on it, and it'd be the EP. Okay, so what we're looking to do is just reset the units to the factory settings. To do that, press and hold, either count to 10 or wait for the status light to turn red and then extinguish, like so. Do the same with the other unit, either count to 10 or wait for the red status light to extinguish. Like so. Okay, so we're going to make this, both of the units now EP units. We're going to make this one the AP unit. And to do that, we either count to 5 or press and hold the reset button and wait for the AP light to flash, like so. Once it finishes flashing, there we go. So this one is now the AP unit. This one is still the EP unit. And now what we're going to do to pair the two of them up is I'll press and hold the config button, wait for the AP light to flash, like so. Press and hold the config button on the EP unit, wait for the AP light to flash, which it is, release. That'll flash 3 times to say that it's configured. We'll just wait for the AP unit to finish flashing. It'll flash 3 times quickly. Which it has. The units are set and ready to work again.